Hey, welcome back guys. Ever since the MCO started, the school has closed down and my children are forced to study at home via online classrooms. They have been doing that using my spare smartphone. Even though it does serve the purpose, but in my opinion they can do better with a larger screen. So today I have decided to give them this tablet. But before I do that, let me unbox it and do a quick review on what it can and cannot do. This is one of the tablets from Amazon Fire tablet series, and this model is 8th generation Fire HD 8, which was released in 2018. From the name itself, we can tell that the screen size is 8-inch with HD resolution. Also, it can support up to a whopping 400GB microSD card. Oh, by the way, this model is 18GB version. Amazon also sells 32GB version. So don't worry if you run out of space because you can always pop in an SD card to expand the storage. It is running on a quad-core processor. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi. It comes with front and rear cameras, and it supports Dolby audio playback. While this one is in yellow or canary yellow to be exact, you have the option to choose from black, marine blue, or punch red. Right now, Amazon is selling this at $80 or roughly around 360 ringgit Malaysia, excluding shipping. And it was rated by more than 56,000 users at average rating of 4.3 stars. I will get into the details after I unbox this, so let's do it. We have Fire HD 8 tablet, 5-watt power adapter with US plug, USB charging cable, a quick start guide. The body feels solid and doesn't have that cheap tablet feel even though the bag is made from plastic. It weighs at 350 grams. On the right side, it has the slot for microSD card. On the top, you can find the volume button, 3.5mm audio jack, this tiny hole which I believe is the microphone, micro USB port for charging, and the power button. The Dolby audio speakers are on the left side, and there is nothing at the bottom. There is no slot for SIM card, so it relies on Wi-Fi for that internet connection. There are 2 megapixel cameras at the front and at the back. The screen is made from glass and it has 1280 by 800 pixel resolution display with IPS technology and advanced polarizing filter, which honestly, I have no idea what is that. Internally, it has 16GB of storage. There are options for 32GB storage as well. 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, 1.5 GB of RAM. Amazon doesn't say what is the battery capacity, but it claims it can last up to 10 hours. Dual band Wi-Fi, accelerometer and ambient light sensor. There is no GPS. It only has location-based services via Wi-Fi. Bluetooth for supported accessories such as headphones, speakers, and microphones. Let's power it up and see how to set this thing up. Alright, I'm back with the tablet fully configured, and it took me a couple of minutes to do that. Basically, I need to connect it to my home Wi-Fi, updating the OS and the apps, logging to my Amazon account, which is compulsory, and follow the rest of the wizard. Once you are done, it will bring you to this screen, which is the home screen. Now, there is one question which I believe is in everyone's mind. What can it do? But before that, let me tell you what is this. Think of this tablet as an Android tablet but without Google. Basically, Amazon took the open source version of Android, integrate its own services into it, customize the user interface and rename it to Fire OS. It may look and feels different, but it is still Android in essence. That means most apps made for Android still can run on it. Even though it doesn't have Google Play Store, it has its own Amazon App Store, and you can find almost every popular apps in it like Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Netflix, Disney Plus, TikTok, YouTube, Plex, Twitter, and lots of free games. If you cannot find the app you want in the App Store, you can try to sideload it using the APK file, which can be downloaded from websites such as APK Mirror or APK Pure. Most of the times it works. If it doesn't work, it could either mean you have downloaded the wrong APK version, the app doesn't support the tablet, or it needs extra dependencies which may require extra steps. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the main purpose of this tablet is for my kids' online classroom. Good news is all the apps that are required for the online classroom works. Zoom is readily available in the App Store, so installation was a straightforward process. Meanwhile, Google Classroom and Google Meet required additional steps because they are a part of Google services and can only be installed via Google Play Store. There are many online guides that teach you how to install Google Play Store into your Fire tablet. It will work if you follow the steps carefully. Since this tablet will be given to my kids, I need to have some sort of parental control on it. You know, kids will be kids. They still don't have that level of self-discipline. Good news is parental control on this device is really good. Amazon called this parental control service Free Time. With Free Time, I can set their bedtime, educational goal, option to block entertainment content until they reach the goal, daily blanket screen time limit, or screen time limit by types of activities. I can have different settings for weekdays and weekends. However, it doesn't have specific settings for public holidays. Other than that, I can filter content by age, set which apps or content my kids are allowed to access, enable web browser, camera, and many more. There is also a subscription-based service known as Free Time Unlimited, where it offers my kid even more contents, all curated carefully by Amazon. That is not all. The coolest part is, it syncs across all Amazon devices. Since I'm using Fire TV, Kindle ebook reader and Echo smart speakers in my home, all my kids' screen or usage time is counted across all these devices, not just on the tablet. Once its bedtime or time limit is reached, my kids won't be able to access any of these devices. How crazy is that? Okay, enough with the parental control. Now there's another main feature that I would like to share with you, and that is Alexa. Being an Amazon product, Alexa is built into this tablet and it supports hands-free Alexa, meaning you can summon Alexa without turning on the tablet or press any button. There is also an option to turn on show mode, which will change the whole tablet to behave exactly like an Echo Show device. But of course, the sound quality on Echo Show is definitely better than this tablet. That's all the main features I can share on today's episode. In summary, Fire HD8 may not be a speed demon, but it is one of the best media consumption devices made for both parents and kids, thanks to the well-rounded parental control service. If you are into Alexa smart home ecosystem, Fire HD8 adds more values to your smart home setup. You will have the flexibility to use it as a normal tablet or turn on show mode and use it as a more permanent smart display that you can put it on your study table or mounted it on a kitchen wall. If you like my video and would like to be notified when I upload a new video in the future, please click on the subscribe button. Also, if you are interested in Fire HD8, please support me and purchase it from my online shop. The link is in the description. Until we meet again, take care and stay safe.